Hi guys, it's Ian at Global Air Supplies and I'm here with Pim from Aqua Master Tools. We're going to tell you all about Aqua Master Tools and how it's becoming one of the fastest growing pH and EC meter brands in the UK today. So Pim, how did it start?
Hi guys, first of all thank you having us Ian today here at your nice facility here at Global Air Supplies. Since Aqua Master Tools started, we started a collaboration I think in 2019.
Is that how long Aqua Master's been?
Aqua Master Tools was established in 2018, a year before.
Okay.
We are a Dutch manufacturer of pH and EC meters.
Why is your pH so important when you're growing?
Well, pH is very important because your roots are established in a media that can be rock wool, cocoa, soil,
yeah.
Any type of media. And the nutrients we are using, they contain 17 components, 10 microorganisms and 7 macroorganisms. As long as your pH value is right, the sponge, so your media, let's say it's a sponge, it has the right structure to keep all the nutrients there. As the pH levels are changing, the structure of your sponge is changing, and then it cannot no longer hold all the nutrients anymore.
Okay.
And if it cannot hold the right nutrients, for example, if your pH level will go above 6.3, 6.4, calcium and phosphor will not be available for your plant anymore. And that will be seen in shortages on the plant. So you will see red little steels, rusty stains on the leaves, and it will really develop really affect the development of your crop.
Yeah. So a lot of people, I guess, don't do the EC of a pH of a soil, of a media, which I think is really important, especially now we've got a meter where we've got it available, so that if you've got your pH and your EC is right in the tank, you've got no idea what's happening in the media. Now you can test the media to make sure the pH and the EC is correct in the media.
Yeah.
And I guess if your pH and your EC is fluctuating, it's a little bit out in your pot, you just flush it with your nutrient solution, get your EC down or up where it needs to be, do the pH, and literally you're working with a perfect EC and pH within the growing media.
Yeah, you're totally right, Ian. Actually, it's even more important to monitor the pH and EC value within your media, so your soil, rock wool or coconut, and that tells you what you have to give from the water barrel to your plants. So actually it's more important to monitor your media instead of your tank. So when you check your media, then you also have to know what you have to put in your tank to give to your plants.
Yeah, I suppose with a drip system or a non-recirculating system, you check your EC and your pH in your tank, that's stable, because everything is run to waste. So everything you give your plant, it's running away. Where you're recirculating, it's going back to the tank. So you need to be checking your EC and your pH in your tank to keep it spot on all the time.
Constantly, absolutely, yeah. The driving force behind Aqua Master Tools was the introduction of the first pH and EC combo pen, which was affordable but also had a high quality. And
is that the P110?
First of all, the P100, but
right,
after a lot of developments on our products, it became to be the P110 in the form as it has now. So yeah, that's basically also the history behind Aqua Master Tools. Me as the founder, I had used many different types of pH and EC measuring devices.
So you've got history in the industry well before 2018.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm in the industry since approximately 2005-06, also as an end user of pH and EC measuring
so you
devices.
see all the problems people face.
You've seen all the products with calibrations, non-waterproof products, one-point calibration products, and also we had in the back of our mind that it's still crazy that you had to buy a separate pH and a separate EC pen, while we have phones where you can have video calls with all the functions on our phone. So that's how we also entered the market with a successful pH and EC pen, which was one of our first products actually.
What's new for Aqua Master? Where are we going to go? So we've got the pH pens, we've got the combo pens, we've got all the meters. What's next for Aqua Master?
In the future, like we just mentioned the phones, and we are getting into a stage where people want to control and monitor everything from our phone. So we just launched our newest handheld meter, but later on this year, after the summer, we will introduce our newest dosing systems for pH and EC dosing. Beside that, we will also have a new line with online monitors.
So like an app where you can monitor your EC and your pH all through your phone.
Yeah, in July we will launch the Aqua Master Tools app, which will be available in the App Store for Android and iOS. You can download it for free with your iPhone or your Android device, and from there you can connect your devices through the Wi-Fi router, and there you can monitor your values, you can change your settings, you can control everything from your phone.
Right, so there's some interesting things coming from Aqua Master Tools in the future. We're going to go through every single product and we're going to give you some information on each one, but that's Aqua Master for now. Cheers guys, cheers Pim.
Cheers, thank you Ian.